Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. Steve Hoong is my full and complete name. Name, middle initial, and family name. Okay, my next actually hindi pa to siya necrological video dito sa Philippines ito. Hindi pa siya matatag necrological videos pero mag-i-inform ako sa mga viewers na meron ako nakalap some details. Hindi matataw ko na rin siyang complete although marami pang kailangan i-verify, no? Ito ay alam niyo na kung sino siya. Ito yung sa Comedy King ng Pilipinas or King of Comedy sa Philippines. And I'm referring to Dolphy or known as Rodolfo Vera Quezon or RBQ. Actually, siya po yung may-ari yung that time RBQ Productions. Okay. By the way, bigyan ko kayo ng a little clue or details tungkol tong sa kay Dolphy. Actually, hindi pa to complete Binigyan ko kayo ng idea. Okay. Pero hindi pa siya complete my fellow viewers. Okay. By the way, for those who are foreign observers, because of my world's famous necrologist, this time I have to speak Filipino, which is the official language Tagalog, because this person is based in the Philippines, who died as a Filipino actor. Actually, not only Filipino actor, also Filipino veteran actor. He is known as King of Comedy in the Philippines for how many decades? So, eto na po siya na. By the way, to all viewers, no, meron kayong dapat malaman kang Dolphy. May nagtatanong sa akin or may nag-chat sa akin, no? Ito bang si Dolphy at saka si FPJ that time may kaugnayan? To all viewers, ito galing sa bibig ko ito. Si Dolphy at si Fernando Fo Jr. ay may kaugnayan. Hindi sila magkapatid. Dahil yung papa niya at si Dolphy ay may pinagsamahan that time before namatay ang papa ni FPJ. I'm referring to Fernando Po Sr. Yung bago siya kinagat ng aso. Ang papa ni FPJ ay kinamatay, nakagat ng aso tapos bigla namatay. Ang cause of death is dog bite. Okay. Ang kang Dolphy ay hindi iba ang kinamatay niya. Itong kinamatay niya is hanggang ngayon wala pang lunas or treatment. Ito yung tinatawag na COPD or Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease or COPD. Yan po. By the way, namatay si Dolphy July 10, 2012 at age 83. Hindi siya nakahabol sa, kung na-extend pa yung life ng 15 days ng July 25, maaaring buhay pa siya that time. So, naging 84 pa siya. Kasi na-born siya July 25, 1928. So, try to observe. July 25, kasi sa kaka-analyze na. July 25, 1928. Na-born. Namatay siya July 10, 2012. So, 15 days na lang ang kulang para maging 84 years old. So, yun. Nagkaroon siya ng multiple organ failure. Tapos, may sumunod pang acute renal failure. So, nahirapan na siya huminga. Difficulty in breathing ang labas talaga. Kasi ang COPD wala pang treatment until now, 2025, this year. I'm gonna tell you, my fellow viewers. So, yun na po, no? Yun. Hindi to kwentong barbero itong sinasabi ko. Si FPJ at si Dolphy magkakilala at may kaugnayan. Dahil sa papa niya na may pinagsamahan that time. Yun, nagkaroon sila ng movie. Then, what else? Ito, importante to. yung nakulong na anak ni Dolphy, itong si Dolphy Jr., totoo anak niya. Yun nasa Cavite right now. Tapos, yung kay Shasha Padilla, meron silang 2 anak, daughters. Ang isa, adopted, itong si Nicole, 1991 na born. Ang totoo niyang legitimate child, yung second daughter nila ni Shasha ay si Sia Denise Marie Padilla Quezon. Kasi kinasal sila bago namatay si Dolphy. Kay Shasha Padilla yon. Iba yung kay Pamela ni Dolphy at saka ni Pamela Ponti, itong si Eric Quezon. Yung sikat ngayon, Eric Quezon. Itong isa si kay Alma, may relasyon sila ni Alma Moreno, kaya nagkaroon sila ng isang anak, which is si Pandol. By the way, to all viewers, take note, si Alma Moreno at si Dolphy ay second relationship na nila. Kasi si Alma Moreno at Rudy Fernandez, nagkaroon sila din ng anak. Itong 1979, itong si Mark Anthony Fernandez. By the way, take note, si Mark Anthony Fernandez at si Bandol ay stepbrothers. Hindi sila totoo magkapatid, pero pareho ng name ng mother, Alma Moreno. Si Ines, I-N-E-S or N-E-S-S, Nes. Yan ang yung parang nickname. Then, what else? Si Bandol, parents niya si Dolphy at saka si Alma Moreno. So, yun things to clarify kasi magkakaroon ng confusing. So, etong si Eric Quezon at Bandol, stepbrothers. So, don't be confused on this koan. Then, kung compare sila ni Shasha, so si Nicole tsaka si Sia at si Bandol, stepsisters. So, yun. Alam ko napaka-complicate, pero itong sinasabi ko ngayon ay totoo. Hindi to kwentong barbero. Okay? By the way, this is just only introductory part or parang we can say a little details. Hindi pa siya complete. Okay? By the way, kung sino magtatanong sa akin kung saan siya nilibing, yan, masasagot ko yan. At yung next necrological video, yung talagang official na, yon. By the way, Dolphy was buried in the Heritage Park Taguig. May purpose. Bakit Taguig? Kasi kung doon sa mausoleum ng parents niya sa Loyola Memorial Park Marikina ay puno. Alos magkakapatid, magulang niya, kamag-anak. So hindi na saturate ang mausoleum. So puno. So napili nila Taguig kasi that time puno, bakante pa. So pwede pa ilibing yung mga koan. So ayun, nagkaroon na ng vacant memorial lot. So napili Heritage Park Taguig. Marami nakilibing, I'm gonna tell you. By the way, ang checklist sa mga sino nakilibing kay Dolphy nandun sa aking important necrological details. So, marami ako natuklasan findings. Ang natagalan lang ako yung mga anak ni Dolphy. Ang daming anak ni Dolphy. Tsaka yung kay Lotiski, may relasyon sila ni Lotiski, although it needs to be explained. Kasi kung ano ba talaga nangyari. Bakit dumami yung anak ni Dolphy. At etong si Dolphy at si Ramon Revilla, pareho sila ng case. Yung dating senator, yung papa ni Bong Revilla Jr., maraming anak si Ramon Revilla Sr. Eto si Dolphy, maraming ding anak. Okay, so yun. By the way, maraming artists na actors, actresses involved tungkol kay Dolphy. Maraming kuan talaga. At saka nagkaroon sila ng movie ni Vic Soto, yung kapatid ni Tito Soto. Pero si Dolphy at saka si Vic Soto, nagkaroon sila ng movie bago namatay si Dolphy. So, yun lang po. Okay, so ito lang muna for the meantime. So, the purpose of this video is to give you a clue. May palatandaan na kayo. Pero, I'm gonna tell you to all viewers na mahaba-haba ang necrological video kang Dolphy. Heavy video content. Hindi siya ordinary 1 minuto, 2 minutos, o 3 minutos. No. Kailangan well-detailed. Kasi kung hindi ko ito i-detail, magtataka na kayo, uy, kaninong anak ito? Kung hindi anak ni Dolphy, kanino? Kasi, bakit nagkaroon ng anak si Dolphy? Tapos, iba't ibang babae. So, yun. Pero itong kang Sasha Padilla, legal talaga. Nagkaroon sila ng two daughters. Yung buhay pa siya that time. So, this is a most remarkable event. Okay. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.